Hello all traders. Today is Monday, 17th of March 2025, and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 futures. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating below the previous day close on all E-minis during the Asian session, and it started to go up during the London session. And after the retail sale news, pre-market started to go up sharply. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price continued to go up and then found a resistance and retested the previous day high and close on all E-minis. And eventually buyers came back and pushed the price higher. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price have a deep pullback and find a support, take long positions in a well-established uptrend. So that's what happened, and when I came back around 9:40, I saw this red candle is going down and testing this level of support on Nasdaq on the previous day high. I took long positions with setup C here, 3 long positions on Nasdaq, 1 on Dow Jones and 1 on S&P 500, and these long positions were closed in the upper area of the channel, all with profits. And the signals from these trades were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see the performance on one of these accounts here that shows it was positive with profit factor of 99, which is infinite because we reached 100% win rate from 5 long positions taken, with the average winning trades of 615 and the largest winning trade of $1,280. For the small 5K CFD profit accounts, I also took a lot of long positions, and because the market was trendy and smooth, I increased the lot size and reached a total profit of $100.38. And I'm going to review all these trades taken on CFD accounts on each Friday. So hope all these trades taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures and CFD profit accounts are useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.